Yes, today we are going to talk about logical operators in a Python. There are mostly main three logical operators are there. First is or. Or means any of the at least one of the conditions should be true. Second is the and means both conditions must be true. Third is not. Not means invert the conditions like the not false or the not true. Let's learn with the example. So let's take a two variable, which is one is a package. It is the integer variable. We have a 25. Second, it's got placed. It is boolean variable that we are defining. So first we will check the or conditions. Or means at least one condition should be true to to perform the logic which is the present into that condition. So let's try. If package, that variable which you have defined, package, it's greater than, we can say, 22, or is got a place, okay, is true, then print, okay, he got a placed in JP Morgan. Second thing, we are going to, if this condition is a fails, then how we will going to write the code. For that we are going to use else block. In that we will write still need to clear last round of interview. Okay, what we are learning the or logical operator. For that at least one of the conditions should be true. So we have defined the one variable package as a 25. It got a place as a true. So for example, uh, if conditions giving, like if you have a package is equal to 30, okay, is their package is greater than 30? No. So means this condition is a failing. Or is got a place is the true? Yes. So one of the condition is a getting satisfy. So print if conditions will execute. So let's say we'll get the answers. So he got a place in a JP Morgan. Consider if the both conditions are a failed. Let's see. We have a false. So if the both conditions are false, okay, if the first is not satisfied, second condition is not satisfied, then the else block will execute. Okay, second logical operators is the AND operator. For that we need to both the conditions should be true. Okay, let's do single operations. Okay, now consider we have a 22. So the package variable contain 25 values. So package which is the greater than 25 and is got place is the true. So for the AND conditions, logical condition, both means if how many there are the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 conditions is there in a F block, that conditions need to be a true. Okay, then the if block will execute, otherwise AND block will execute. For example, the package is greater than and he's got a place is the true. So he got a place in a JP Morgan. Consider if the package which is less than 22, then the else block will execute. Okay, that is the AND condition. Both conditions need to be true to get the specific if condition execute, to get the if conditions execute. Third thing is not conditions, like the not conditions. If consider not conditions means not false or not opposite to a true or the false. If not is got a place, okay, if not means opposite of the true. If not means opposite, I consider this condition as a false. Fail. See, this is the opposite, not got a place. Then print interview got cracked. Okay. Consider not is basically invert the condition. So is got is a boolean variable that we have defined as a false. Is not placed means is got a place. So let's run this. So he got the crack. The condition is the satisfy, and the we will get the inside the if conditions, and the whatever code present inside the if condition as printed. Thank you.